Say hey, beauties. Hey, beauties.
He's not gonna say it. He don't got the mic.
Hey, beauties. Say hey, beauties. Say hey, beauties. Hey, beauties. Hey, beauties. So you know your girl is doing a feed and braid tutorial. I never did one of these on my channel before, so I thought, why not, girl? And I hardly ever do feed and braid, so that's probably another reason why. But y'all, I have improved so much in the past year on feed and braids. Like, I am so proud of myself. Like, if you want to like see my progress or whatever, check out my social medias, because like you see all the pictures on there or whatever. But we use the color 350 and the color 1B for like the color blend or whatever. But I'm just separating the hair, like stretching out the hair or whatever. So I'm just taking it strand by strand. So yeah. And also in this video, you guys get to meet my sister, or like see a little bit more of her, because y'all never really get to see her. But that's my older sister, Christina. So just enjoy. That's gonna be like
When you lucky vote.
Air.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Air. Period. Say period. Ken, look at him. He real life speaking into that mic. Say hey, beauties. Hey, beauties.
He's not gonna say it. He don't got the mic.
Hey, beauties. Say hey, beauties. Say hey, beauties. Hey, beauties. Hey, beauties. Love, joy to the world. Joy. Say Merry Christmas. Say your Christmas speech. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Say Jesus the Christmas season. Cannon. That was about to be your death bell. Come on. Cause you lost it now. You went too far.
My heart stopped for a second. And then it was going to slow motion. Like,
okay, so y'all, we did 6 braids. So as y'all can see, I'm just going in and making the parts, like defining them with the shiny jam. Excuse that broke comb my sister had. Broke my comb literally like the day before. I was like, girl, I just got this comb, wow. But I just wanted to test it out because I never had a parting comb, so I was just, yeah. But she literally broke it. I was like, wow. But but yeah, so I'm just defining her parts with the shining gem, like making them all clean and sleek, baby girl. And I like twisted up that section, like each section, and I only did that to like half of her head since we did 6 braids. And then I moisturized her hair. I don't remember what I used, but just don't even worry about that. But then I put the She's Bomb Edge Control on her edges. And y'all, I am literally like so proud of myself. Like, y'all do not know like how proud of myself that I am. Like, I'm giving God so much glory for like helping me to improve my female braids. Like, I still have room to improve. Like, but I'm just like thank God for like how far that he's helped me improve this far. But so basically, to get like the stitch feed and braid look, I basically, like y'all saw, I put shiny jam on like both parts of her hair or whatever, and then I go down and start parting it off, like parting the parts for like the stitch braid. and then I like slick it down or whatever, and then part another part, and then slick it down, part another part, slick it down. That will help your you get like clean parts and clean stitch parts, and that helped me also too with that. So yeah, I just really hope y'all enjoy and learn something from this, and hopefully it can help you improve your stitch braids too. And also it's very key to like not add too much hair, because that was also like a part of my problem with feeding braids too. And like I said, I'm still improving. I still have room for improvement, but I'm giving God so much glory because I am so excited. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so excited to see where he's going to take me in these next few years, because baby girl, I'm only 16. What? Okay, but I'm sorry, I talk a little bit too much, y'all. But and then after that, y'all saw that I cut the hair really short, but I did that because I was gonna blend in another color. So like I said, I blended into 350. So after I did like the foundation of all the stitch braids, then I went in and added the 350. It was really cute on her, like on my sister or whatever. So y'all can see like I'm pulling it back, or like laying it, slicking it down, and then part another part, slicking it down, part another part. That'll really help. And then like once you started braiding the hair in, like picking it up based on where you parted the part or whatever. But yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I hope y'all learned something from this video though. Y'all, we're about to be on our last stitch braid. Well, we are now. And y'all probably also saw me like put some white stuff on her hair, but I just put the lighter body on there just to like set in her edge a little bit more, like for like so that it can like last longer, if that makes sense. I don't know, but but yeah, and at the end of towards the end of the video, y'all will get to see more of my sister's personality if y'all haven't already, because like this is one of my like weirdest sisters. Like I love all my sisters, but this girl's crazy. I love her so much. But yeah, so just continue watching the video, finish watching the video, and enjoy. Period, baby girl. Period. It's most definitely the hair for me, and most definitely the improvement for me. Not you making that face, Christina. You should see your braids sticking out though. You look crazy. Look. Christina. Come on. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm just like feeding in the hair for like to elongate the braid, and then I'm just like tying the knot off or whatever, and y'all can see. But yeah, and then I put the lighter body over her scalp because I was like it could just be setting while I'm extending her braids braids or whatever, and she wanted them like butt length, but then I realized like after I ended up doing them a little longer. But y'all, look at my nephew, he looks so cute. But y'all, after this, he put bobby pins all over my floor. I was like, Jesus, help me, Lord. But but yeah, and then I'm about to I can't even talk, dip her ends, and then I place like the braids in there, and then after like I dip it done one time, I go back over just the ends so that I could just like straighten them out from being like all crinkly or curly, and then that just gives you like your braids like a sleeker look or whatever. So yeah. It's most definitely the hair for me. Turn around.
You made a mess up in this building, and I'm not playing with you.
I'm recording you.
Get him.
I'm weak.
Every glass you record.
Baby, it ain't already.
Period.
Y'all look at the mess my nephew made this whole time. Real ghetto.
Look at him.
Alright.
Because my name don't push up and I will.
Okay, turn.
Kenny.
Turn, baby.
Baby, your nephew right here, babe.
Move back, baby. Candy. Come on, baby, turn.
Oh, I ain't all supposed to keep turning.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. So they turn around so they can see how long. Ooh, 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 ooh. And what about it, baby girl? What about it? Okay. I'm weak. Alright, so y'all, this the last. Ooh, girl. I've been looking at a scary hot mess on here. But this is gonna be the last of this video because do not mind my hair. I don't know what's going on, but this is like the first and probably the last time in 1,000 years that y'all will see my sister Christina. This is my older sister, because she don't ever want to be on camera. She always MIA, but not MIA. I don't understand. But I guess. But love you guys. Bye, videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, baby girl. If you're new to the channel, my name is Angelina. So hello. Love you guys. Stop. Say bye, videos with me.
Bye, birdie.
Bye, videos.